Hello. Hello, good morning. So mark your attendance. Hello. Done attendance. Okay. Hello. I discussed the previous class, and this slide, this topic are completed. Water sees purpose, assessment and monitoring tools. These are all are completed. And now start from the scanning is completed. Scoping. Actually, the first scoping, scanning part is completed. Okay, then now start the scoping. What is scoping? The scoping is the analysis, documentation, and consultation at each stage. Okay, in this under the scoping, there's three parts completed during this project work: analysis, documentation, and consultation at each stage. Okay, then the many types of issues identified under the scoping part. Suppose accidental issues on the site. Okay, drawing issue on the site. Drawing issues are very critical part, and and accidental, such as the manpower, labor's accident is the very big issues. To how to solve this issue after the accident. This is the very important. Okay, this parts is come under the scoping. Analysis part regarding this project work under scoping, documentation, and consultants at each stage. How to contact the consultant to the every parts of the work. Suppose your power plant is a WTP area, boiler, turbine. Okay, there's a powerhouse chimney. This part is the very important. But every parts is specialist available. Suppose a specialist of a chimney, Yaman India. Yaman India only construct the chimney, not any other works. Yaman India is the very specialist company for the chimney. So you contact the consultant of Yaman India, then you then you give the work to Yaman, and your company Yaman India is complete the work. Okay, this part comes under the scoping. Okay, so what are the most important issues? What are the most important issues of concern to sustainable development and use of the area and resource concern? What is the important issue during the development and area and resources? Which type of issues faces regarding the project work? Source resources. Suppose you run the power plant. What you take the resource? This is the coal block. Okay, the coal is the very big resources for the power plant. Water for the boiler. Okay, the WTP area is a big project. The water enter the your raw material water enter the from the river in the WTP area. You test the all test, uh, get the result in the neutralized water. Then you send the boiler and you boiler work in neutralized water. Okay. Then now how can those issue at categories and traced is given a static focus. Okay. This is under the scoping. The scoping open interactive process involved stakeholders. Okay, this is the open interactive process, such as I interact the student during the reading the teaching any types of topic subjects. Okay, just like interacting process in the involves the stakeholders. Your company employees directly interact to the stakeholders, external and internal stakeholder. Internal stakeholder is the company employees. External stakeholder is the public. Okay, nearest your power plant, nearest your company is leaving the persons. This is the external stakeholder. Suppose company owners. Okay, any industrialist, any specialist of this type of items. These are the external stakeholder. So both internal and external stakeholder interacting process is the very important. Open, how to interact. Okay, in which topic interact. Okay, then law of foundation of an ACA by identifying time and space boundary of the assessment. This time is a very important. And space boundary. What is the space boundary? You given the space company and client and consultancy. There is a space boundary. Suppose you not give the space between the client and the contractor. This is no type any type of work is the completed in the time and the freely time. You not feel the free. Always client is staying in the site. The contractor always the feels the fear. How to complete, no any mistake during this work. The time and the space bound is very important. Time, you give the time to the contractor and the space. Okay, and the information necessary for decision making. Decision making is very important on the site. Any client engineer, contractor engineer is very important. You take the project in hand. Okay, your decision is very important. You take the decision on the site, not in the after your labor asked sir how to work this item. Suppose you bind the foundation reinforcement. Sir, how much spacing? How much? How many numbers of reinforcement? Which dia used in the? You not clearly define to the labors. Not you decision making is very important. Suppose you construct the foundation depth of foundation. So your depth of foundation dimension is 2 meter given in the drawing. Okay. So suppose your soil condition is very bad. Okay. So then you how to take the decision. This time you perform the compaction factor test. So the compaction test. So score cutter method. You find the get the result of the how much percentage in the compaction. Then you take the decision. Okay, your decision making, your decision is very important during this time. Okay. Okay, this is the very big issues. Your decision, yeah, loss, yeah, gain. You get the result, a loss, you gain. Okay, the key issues and potential impact to the consider. Key issues and potential impact to be considered. Okay. Then now key objective of scoping. What is the objective of the scoping? This is the very important. Objective is the scoping is the very important. Okay. Inform and identify stakeholders. Inform and identify which type of a stakeholder. Internal, yeah, external stakeholder. Identify first. You identify this is the this stakeholder is external. You inform. Okay, find out their initial concern. What is the initial concern of the from the given by the stakeholders a company? Okay, identifies feasible and practical alternatives. Okay, identify the main issue impact to the studied. During the preparation of the project planning and studied about the project, what is the main issue faced? Which type of issues facing this time? The many issues. First, you are getting the environmental issues. So first, you need as a point start the you get the first issue environmental issue. See how to get the permission from the SPCB and Human Resource and Forest and Environment Department. How to get the permission. This during this time, actually, your project start the month of July 2022. You will start the environmental process before the 1 year and 2 years before 2 years minimum 2 years before. Then you get the result around the time. Then you get the result to the on the time of the project start. The first issue is the environmental clearance issues. Then site condition issues. Okay, so this is the main issues impact during the study of the plan. Okay, then define the boundary assessment. How to define the boundary assessment? The boundary assessment, I already discussed the previous slides. Time and space. Time and space bound is the very important for the assessment. Okay, agree on means of public involvement. How to agree means to public involvement. How to involve the public? Suppose you start the project. Okay, your project start. Okay, then now public involvement as a worker. Okay, establish the term of reference TOR. All details mentioned in the TOR. All details, project details, manpower details, estimation of project, how much cost of the project. This all are the mentioned in term of reference. You establish the term of reference. First, you establish the term of reference. Okay. Then now MRCC of hydro on main stream Mekong. Regional, national, and hydrological zone. Regional is the upper and lower segments of the river. This is the regional. Okay, and this is the economic and natural system linkage between the LMB countries. And national is the national level. Okay, such as countries Colombia, Laos, India, Thailand, Vietnam, all are the involved in this the national MNC, MRC. Okay, this approach is the distinctive economics and social and natural system. The 12 purpose project of assessment against the national and state the development priorities of their 4 LMB countries. Okay. Then hydroecological zones assessing the projects within 6 hydroecological zones. The zone have distinctive biophysical characteristics. There is the MCS static analysis of hydro on the mainstream Mekong. Steps in the scoping process. What is the step of the scoping process? How to process? First step is the prepare on outline scope. What is the outline scope? What is the scope of the project? What is the outline, main outline of the project? The first prepare. Okay. Every company set the outline. Every company, every project start doing before the set the outline. Okay. Develop the outline through the informal consultation. This type of outline developed between the client and consultation. Make the outline available to stakeholders. This type of outline, you have fixed the outline and you the available to the stakeholder. Compile the range of concerns in long list. Evaluate the established key issues in the short list. What is the issues? What is the concern? Okay. Then organize their into impact themes. The study list. Which type of items studied during this preparation of project work. Okay. This is organize the into impact themes. Amend the outline to incorporate the above information. Develop term of reference. Amend the outline Okay, to incorporate the above information, okay, and the outline to incorporate the above information, develop term of reference. Okay, then now baseline assessment. What is assessment of baseline? So this is a baseline, project baseline and trend analysis. Okay. Then what have been past attend to each of the key issues? What will the trends look like when projected to the 2030? What is our trend? Okay, without mainstream projects, when other trends and drivers can the are considered. Just assessment of the baseline. Okay, baseline information is gathered on social, economic, and environmental condition. This is a very important. Social information is a very important. Economic is a very important. Your project is economic and the best, not economic and your material use the use the minimum. Material is the material quantity is the same. Okay, then you project. Actually, you discuss the client and contractor. You prepare the project. Then you consider the 3 points. First, social, economic, and environmental condition. Without social, you not start the work. Without economic, you not start the work. And environmental conditions are very important. If you start the big project and not consider the environmental problems, is the illegal work, not as a legal work, illegal work. So first you get the clearance from the environmental department. Okay, it's the SPCB State Pollution Control Board. Okay, the baseline information is gathered on the social, economic, and environmental conditions, trend and associated drivers, trend analysis for the baseline situation now and into the future. Okay, then 10 associated drivers, 10 analysis the baseline situation now, current, and the future. What is the analysis? What is the baseline situation? What is the baseline situation, present and future? Okay, then now effects of plan already being implemented. Effects of plans already being implemented. Okay, your plans already being exist. Your effect, how to implement. Okay, so these plans are discussed about the stakeholders, consultant, and the clients between. Okay, then now effect of other foreseeable proposed development plans. What is your development plans? Okay, definition of sustainability objectives. Define of key issues and themes of relevance to the development plan. What is the issues? Okay, what is the key issues during to face the problem the as a development project? Okay. Then now identify a sustainability objective for each static theme, so such as this is the development campaign Mekong features. Okay, then now start the first government target. What is the government target? Okay, this is a key strategic issues. All are contained the under the development of Cambodian Mekong fissures. Mekong fissures are 4 parts. Okay, government target maintain total annual catchment of this tons per year. Government policies, strategic planning framework for fissure 2009 to 2018. Okay, FISA's annual priority action plan. Okay, this is the target government target and this is the government policy. What is the key targeting issues? What is the key strategic issues you facing the problem during the start the work? The first nutrition, rural economic growth, how to grow the economic on the rural area. What is difference rural and urban? Urban is the Sari, urban cities, and rural is the village area. Okay, so how to grow the economic? You you are set up the plant in the economic rural area. So this you get the employment to the village persons. They get the economic growth. Okay. Then the poverty elevation, habitat destruction. This is the 4 point of strategy of the issues, key strategic issues. Okay, what are development objectives? This is the two main: maintain productivity in capture fisheries first, and the second one is the expand agricultural production. Okay, sustainability principle. What is the principle of sustainability? Habitat preservation, the spying ground, deep pools, migration routes. Okay, this is the sustainability principle. And the second one is the conservation of the integrated species through the control on fishing technology and activities. So this is the 4 types of strategic of the theme of the strategic environmental assessment. Okay, any problem? Anyone? Okay, then now impact assessment. This is the identify sustainable objective. This is the 4 types of main objectives. Okay, target, policy, strategic issue, sustainable principle, development objectives. Implement impact assessment. What is the impact assessment? Impact assessment, overall the proposed development plan out the baseline. What is the impact in the proposed development of the project and the baseline? Okay, this is the impact assessment. Then now, will the proposed development plan affect the trends in key issues? Will the proposed development plan affect the trend in the key issues? Will those affect provide benefits and or costs? Okay, affect the provide benefits and or cost. Will those affect enhance to reduce sustainability? Okay, this is a form of sustainability analysis where economic, social, and biophysical trends and effects under different development. Okay, so this is the impact assessment. Will those affect enhance or reduce sustainability? Okay, this is the sustainability analysis where economic, social, and biophysical trends. Okay, then now forecasting the potential impacts. What is the potential impact of forecasting? Identifying or impact, forecasting, evaluation of significance, and for the evaluation of impact on sustainability. So first you define sustainability. What is the sustainability? Anyone define? Define sustainability, anyone? What is sustainability? Sustainability focus on meeting the needs of the present without, okay, present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their needs. The concept of sustainability is comprised of three pillars. Sustainability is the depend on the three pillar. First pillar, what is the pillar? First pillar, economics. Second pillar is the environmental. Third pillar is the social. Okay, so this is the sustainability pillar. Okay, so these three factors you you take on the mind first. Economics, environment, and social. Yeah, these three pillars is the very important for the any types of sustainability project sustainability. How to sustain the project, how to sustainability. Without three pillars, you not done the sustainable. Any type of project to sustain, right? No, don't you can. Okay, the first identify of impacts. To classify the impact associated with the each component of phase of the plan. Okay, then forecasting. Third, evaluation of a significance. Then evaluation of impact on sustainability. The forecasting to forecast the nature, magnitude, extent, and duration of the main impacts. This is the forecasting. Evaluation of significance. What is the significance of evaluation? Determine the significance of the impacts. Evaluation of impact on the sustainability. Okay, this is the forecasting potential impact on the projects. The sustainability practical support ecological human. Sorry, ecological human. How to work? The sustainability practice support ecological, human, economic health, and the validity of the sustainable premises. This is the sustainability process. Method used for impact identification. How is type of method used in the impact identification? Trend analysis. Okay, checklist, matrix, networks of causal effects diagram to identify indirect cumulative impacts. Overlay and geographic information system, GIS. Okay, computer expert system and a professional judgment. The how to the impact the identification is the you kept the professional judgment with the expert of the computer and the system GIS software use the GIS software. Okay, they all are the identify the this method use to identify the impacts. Okay, any types of method used for the impact identification. Anyone? Any doubt? Okay. This is the impact as the method, methods, pros and cons. That's a checklist, advantage and disadvantage. Okay, this is the items, advantage and disadvantage. First, the checklist. In during advantage, easy to understand and use, good foresight, selection and priority setting, simple ranking and weighting. This is the checklist for the advantage. And the checklist for the disadvantage, do not distinguish between the direct and indirect impacts. Okay, do not link action and the impact. The process of incorporating value can be controversial. Okay, this is the disadvantage advantage of the checklist. Matrix, networks, overlays, GIS computer per system. GIS is the very important. Okay, identify the impact assessment. Matrix, link action to impact, good method for display result. This is a matrix. Difficult to distinguish are the disadvantages, difficult to distinguish direct and indirect impacts, have potential for double counting of the impacts. Okay, then networks, link action to impact, useful in a simplified form for checking for the sense order impacts. Handle direct and indirect impacts. Okay, disadvantages can become very complex if used beyond simplified version. Okay, beyond simplified version. Overlays, easy to understand, focus on display, special impacts. Okay, easy to understand, focus on display and special impacts, good setting tools. Can be cumbersome, poorly suited to the address impact, duration, or the probability. And GIS and computer expert system, excellent for the impact and defining and especially analysis, good for experimenting. Okay, the heavy reliance on knowledge and data, often complex and expensive. Okay, so this is the checklist advantage and the disadvantage. Okay, then now okay, any problem this type of advantage disadvantage? Anyone? No. Forecasting impacts. What is the forecasting impacts? Typical parameter to take into account the impact prediction include which type of prediction? The first nature. Nature, how to prediction the nature? Positive, negative, direct, indirect, cumulative. These are nature is the human nature. You thought positive, your work is done the positive way. You thought the negative, your work is the decrease in the negative way. So it is a human nature. This is the forecasting effect impacts on the human nature. Positive, negative, direct, indirect, cumulative, how to work the direct, how to work the indirect, how to the positive way, how to work the negative way, how to the cumulative. So this is the seated in the nature, human nature. Okay, this is the impact of forecasting. Magnitude, severe, moderate, low. This is the magnitude of the work. Moderate, low, severe. This is the forecasting impact. Extent, location, area, volume cover, distribution. Your area location, you impact on location, area, volume covered, where how much volume covered during this work, distribution. Okay, timing during construction operation, decomposing immediately delay rate of change. This is the time is the very important. During construction, timing is the very important. You fix the time is the 1 years. Any type of project, suppose your project cooling tower. Okay, to fix the project, I complete the work during I complete the work in the 1 year. But you not consider the any types of accident issues. You not consider. Okay, designers not consider the when during this time construction, this type of issues are facing the issues problem. The list of issues first, accidental issues, local people's issues. Okay, this is the weather condition issues. All are the considered during this the timing. Okay, so this designer is not considered at a time of design this type of issues. Actually, this given the time during the 1 years for the complete the work, but time is very important. Weather conditions bad, your construction is the stop. Any accident on the site, it's a 1 week, 2 weeks, your work is a stop. Okay, the time is the very important during the construction and operation, decommissioning, immediate delay rate of change. Actually, your construction work is stopped, your project was delayed. Okay, then your project delay, your rate of change is the project cost of the increase. Clear? Your time increase, your cost of project increased. You complete on time in project, your rate, your cost of project is the same. Okay, so this timing is the very important for the construction work, commissioning work, operation work. Okay, duration, short term, long term, intermediate and continuous. Duration, you fix the duration during the construction work, you fix the term, duration. If this item completes the short term, this type of item work in the long term, take the long time. Intermittent, continuous. You work the continuous work start. Suppose slab work. Slab work is not short term and long term. Slab work today start the slab casting pouring work. You complete, then you will leave the work. This work is a continuously run. This work is the continuously run. That is the called duration. Short term. You work start the work is column work. You start the column, start work. You suppose half you casting the half portion of the column. Okay. You cast the half portion of the column. Then you get the result. Your concrete use the your the evening times. Time is the not available. Okay. They will start the next day. They start the next day. This type this work. Okay. This is the short term duration. Long term duration for the long term. Suppose chimney work. Chimney is the long term duration. Long T the long term. Slowly cast. Chimney wall is the slow. Every minutes 25 mm increase. Every minute 25 to 50 mm increase the work. So this is the long term process. Okay. And anyone? The likelihood. Likelihood means the probability, uncertainty, and confidence in the prediction. This is the very important. Probability, uncertainty, confidence. You have overconfidence and you type of work, the work is the minor difference. Minor difference to the overconfidence. But confidence is a very good. Overconfidence is not very good. Prediction. Prediction is the very good. Prediction, this time is complete the work. By prediction. Significance, local, regional, and global. Local person is the very impact. Okay, any types of work. This is a local person is the very effective. I think positive way and negative way both. Not in only positive way, negative way, also negative way. As a local people is the very important for this the forecasting impact. Okay. Duration and time. Duration and time is the very important. Time and duration is the very important. Time and duration. Time you fix the time. Duration is the take the duration. Short term, long term. This is the continuous rate of change. Your timings fix, but your any type of not complete the time. Not complete the time. Any delay 1 month, 2 months. Any type of civil work project is not completed timely. Okay, during this time, facing any types of problem, there is some any types of problem, such type problem facing. First, you face the problem weather condition. Weather condition bad, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days. Continue not work started. Accident, labor accident on the site. The time is the very late, take the long time. 15 days, 1 month, also 1 month. Delay the work. Okay, the timing or duration is the very important. Location also. Which type of location? Reservability and irreversibility. This is the forecasting impact. Take nature. Again, you take the positive way, you complete the work the positive way. You before think, I not complete the work. This is a very long time. So this is the your negative thinking, negative. Your work is the working culture, working time is decreased. You not complete the work in time. You always think the positive. Okay, you always think the positive way. Okay, you always think the positive way. Okay, so this is the forecasting impact of the project. Any problem? Any problem? Okay. 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 Hello. So this is the problem forecasting impact of the project. Okay. Any problems? Then now start the impact assessment significance. What is the significance of the impact assessment? What is the significance of the impact assessment?